Hi, I'm Sabra. I'm a service advisor here at Cable Dahmer of Topeka. Here's a recent time that we went above and beyond for a customer that really needed it. It was a Tuesday evening. I had a customer call in and they were really concerned. They were leaving a gas station and realized they'd put DEF in their fuel tank. A vehicle had given them an alert message, was shaking really bad. They were just kind of wanting to know what to do. They were from Florida and traveling to Colorado. Let them kind of know that they need to get it in as soon as possible. Don't try to drive it anywhere. Let them know the unfortunate news that it wasn't just going to be a simple thing like a flush as they were hoping it would be. So they got it in here and helped them find like a campground to put their fifth wheel that they were towing along with them. They let me know the wife was a traveling nurse and they were on their way to Colorado so that she could start her new assignment. It was Monday they were supposed to be there by, and kind of walked them through the whole situation of calling their insurance company and the best route to take it, since not the easiest repair, have to replace the entire fuel system. And from there got the adjuster out from their insurance company that same day and kept just keeping them in the loop basically of what was going on with it, following up with their adjuster. And luckily the technician got it all wrapped up super fast. He was really attached honestly to the vehicle, knowing the importance of them getting to Colorado and her starting her job as a traveling nurse. Luckily, he actually even came in on his day off that Saturday just to wrap it up, do a test drive, everything. And we got it out by 10 a.m. They were able to make it there. I gave them a call that following Monday just to make sure they made it there safely. And yeah, everything ended up good. They luckily are safe and in good shape now with their vehicle.
Hi, this is Andrew with Cable Dahmer of Topeka. I'm here with Sabra Nuremberg. I'm here to give her a certificate for going above and beyond for our customer satisfaction. She got our customer that broke down in Topeka all the way back to Colorado within the 4 days. And so we wanted to thank her with a night out, the Royals game, and some food. So I want to thank you. Appreciate you very much, Sabra.
Thank you.